Cube automatically turns a layer into a three-dimensional cube. Tap on the object you want to make into a cube, tap Effects, then Add Effect, then scroll to Cube. Cube comes with many settings. To rotate, use Pitch, Yaw, and Roll, or just drag the cube in the preview. Use Width, Height, and Depth to resize. Use Crop to control how much of your layer appears on each cube face. Use Distance to move the cube away from or toward the screen. Enabling lighting will make the cube appear as if it's next to a light source. Color changes the color of the light source. Angle and elevation adjust the angle and height of the light source. Note that layer transparency is currently not supported, so transparent areas will appear black.